And they all are bound here. They stay at night in this place. So guys, a buffalo has two small eyes and ears, and then two long horns. Horns, something like that. Two long horns and and a long tail with hair at the end. As you can see, there is a tail moving here and there. That is called tail with hair at the end. And as you can see, there's a brother. Actually, he is binding these buffaloes. And over there, there is a primary school. And as you can see over there, there is a house. Actually, it was designed like a foreign style. It was designed like foreign style, and it has so many rooms. Have a look at them. Have a look at them. Actually, it's really awesome. Over there, there are so many buffaloes are still eating straws.